What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your premium voucher on LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. After that, just click on this link because this is the official website of LinkedIn. Now, when you are into the official website of LinkedIn, you have three options to continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, or sign in with email. You can choose from these options, but if you are new to LinkedIn, you just simply click on join now and then you need to enter your email, your password, and other credentials so that you can create your own LinkedIn account. Now, after that, when you are signed in or logged in to your LinkedIn account, at the top of the home page on the right side, you can see the profile icon. Click on this icon and then click on settings and privacy. After coming to the settings and privacy options, scroll down a bit and then click on upgrade for free under the subscriptions and payments section. After clicking on upgrade for free, you can use the premium. It will ask you a question: which of these best describe your primary goal for using premium? You can choose from these two, or if there is another reason, just click on another and then click on next. And then from here, you can see the multiple premium options of LinkedIn. And from here, you can choose anyone you want, and then you can use that LinkedIn premium voucher. So that was all for this video. This is how you can redeem LinkedIn premium voucher. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.